Honey Vanilla Body Sugar Scrubs, and this is what it looks like. It smells delicious, but please do not eat it. We're gonna put 1 cup of sugar in your measuring cup, 2 scoops of coconut oil, and it's the big scoop. I'm not sure how many or how it measures out, but it's 2 of the big scoops. And then I made some bourbon honey vanilla, so we're gonna use, this is paste. We're gonna use 1/2 a teaspoon of that. And this smells so good. It smells so good. Actually, I think I may try and put in just a little bit more. Okay, so we're gonna use that. And then our local honey, I don't have any here at home, so we are going to be using Honey Bee Rescue local honey. Okay, so I drizzled some honey, and I didn't measure, I just drizzle. And we're gonna mix all this together. Okay, I used just a big old long gold spoon that I get on Amazon for these projects. And you just mix it, blend it in really well. Okay, let me get the handle. And this smells so good. I do not recommend eating it. Just blended really well. And then I got these cute little jars right here on Amazon. See, they're so cute. They're just, and they're reusable. They're cute. You could put a label on top, and this is what the product looks like. See, then just close it up. You can put a lid here, label here, or a label on the side. But I think it would look so much cuter here, and then just tie a little ribbon around it. It'd be a perfect little DIY gift. Enjoy.